Hello viewers, welcome to DigiSales YouTube channel. Today or on this video clip, I would like to talk about how to enter services. Service-based trading, service-based businesses mostly uses this side of the DigiSales to trade and to issue their receipts based on the number of services they provide to the working client. So how do you enter a service? You do that in two ways. First, you can go to stockings, click on the tab, click on stockings, and then come to services and click on create. This is how you create a service, or use the shortcut menu, click on enter services and enter your service. Before you enter your service, the first requirement is category. So select your category. Please, if you don't understand how to create category, watch my previous video titled category creation and learn how to create category, because you need to categorize all your stocks or services in the system for a better system to service relationship or system to stock relationship. So here, for the purposes of demonstration, I have these categories in my system. Haircut. So let's take it as if it is a salon based business or a salon shop, and therefore they want to use DigiSales to register all their services and the required pricing. So here I select the category 12, haircut. So the name of the haircut is, let's say, trim and a haircut. So what is the code? The code is the category code, then the initials of the name of the service. So we have T for trim, and then the price tag. If the code already exists, the service code is going to reject it. The system is going to reject it. So in this case, we try it again. 12T2. This is sample. You can have a different service code. So we have this, then you click on save. So we have a service registered. So you can close it. So this is how you register a service on DigiSales. Thank you very much for watching.